So as you see, I am connected to the Wi-Fi, but there is no internet. I'm going to try to navigate on YouTube, but there is no internet. Even I am connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to try to navigate in this browser. Let's try Google for example. As you see, it's not working. I'm going to try Facebook. It's not working. So to fix this problem, just go to settings and then system, date and time. So click set date. As you see, we are in 2007. It's going to take you a long time to go to 2020. Just click on automatic, date and time, and then it's going to set up time automatically. So this is a simple trick to fix Wi-Fi connected but there is no internet. So now I'm going to try to navigate to some websites in this browser here. As you see, it's working without any problem. So guys, if you find this video useful for you, please subscribe to my channel to support me, and if you have any more questions, just leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.